preposition. A preposition tells us a person, thing, or a place, or where something is happened, or where something is done. Here are some examples. Children are in the bus. In is the preposition. The car is in front of the bus. In front is the preposition. The house is across the road. Across is the preposition. The bus is at the main gate. At is the preposition. The cow is under the shed. Under is the preposition. The shed is over the cow. Over is the preposition. The tree is near the swimming pool. Near is the preposition. Half of the swimming pool is above the ground. Above is the preposition. Half of the swimming pool is below the ground. Below is the preposition. The jug is on the table. On is the preposition. The cat is going into the house. Into is the preposition. Some garbage is out of dustbin. Out is the preposition. I hope you understand